Welcome to Daily English Talk. This is one of the most common problems among English learners. In today's video, I will show you 4 simple steps to stop translating and start thinking directly in English. Let's begin. Why do we translate? Most people learn English by memorizing words. For example, house, ghar, water, pani, food, khana. So when they want to speak English, their brain first thinks in Hindi and then searches for English words. This process takes time. Fluent speakers don't translate. They think directly in English. The good news is that you can learn this skill too. Step 1. Learn sentences, not words. Many students learn vocabulary lists. But vocabulary alone doesn't help you speak. Instead of learning, hungry, bhukha, learn, I am hungry. Instead of learning, tired, thaka hua, learn, I am tired. Instead of learning, busy, vyast, learn, I am busy. When you learn complete sentences, your brain can use them instantly. Practice these sentences. I am ready. I am busy. I am hungry. I am tired. I don't know. I understand. Repeat them every day. Step 2. Describe everything around you. Look around your room. Now describe what you see in English. This is my bed. This is my phone. This is a fan. The fan is on. My phone is on the table. Don't worry about grammar. Just use simple sentences. When you do this daily, your brain starts connecting objects directly with English words. No translation needed. Try this activity for 5 minutes every day. It works amazingly well. Step 3. Talk to yourself in English. This is one of the best techniques. Ask yourself simple questions. What am I doing? What will I eat today? What time is it? Where am I going? Now answer in English. I'm watching a video. I will eat lunch soon. It is 3 o'clock. I'm going to the market. You don't need a speaking partner. You can practice anywhere. At home. While walking. While cooking. While traveling. The more you talk to yourself in English, the faster your brain starts thinking in English. Step 4. Think simple. Many learners try to create long imperfect sentences. Because of this, they get stuck. Start with simple thoughts. Instead of saying, I would like to purchase some vegetables from the market, say, I want to buy vegetables. Instead of saying, I am feeling extremely exhausted after work, say, I am very tired. Simple English is powerful English. Fluent speakers often use simple sentences. Keep your thoughts simple and clear. Daily practice challenge. Now I have a challenge for you. For the next 7 days, spend 10 minutes every day thinking in English. Describe your room. Describe your actions. Ask yourself questions. Answer them in English. At first, it may feel difficult. But after a few days, you will notice a big difference. Your speaking will become faster. Your confidence will improve. And you will depend less on translation. Remember this, you don't become fluent by translating. You become fluent by thinking directly in English. Start small. Practice daily. Be patient. And keep speaking. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Daily English Talk. Comment below, do you translate in your head before speaking English? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.